Looking for a moon lamp that stands out from the rest? Our lamp isn't just another glowing orb. It's crafted with over 26 hours of precise 3D printing to replicate every crater exactly like NASA's satellite images. Made from durable, high-quality PLA, this lamp offers a realistic and aesthetic design you won't find in cheap alternatives. Parents will appreciate how this moon lamp brings a calming atmosphere to any child's room. The upgraded battery lasts up to 15 hours on a single charge, longer than most smartphones. That means you can leave it on all night to comfort your little one if they're afraid of the dark. Its soft, kid-friendly glow creates a peaceful environment that helps children feel safe and relaxed. Control is effortless with both touch and remote options. Choose from 16 dimmable colors, 5 different lighting modes, and 5 brightness levels. Whether you want a cozy, romantic, or tranquil vibe, this moonlight adjusts to your mood with just a tap or click. It's more than a nightlight, it's a versatile mood enhancer for any space. This moon lamp also makes a thoughtful and unique gift. Perfect for moms, wives, friends, or anyone who seems to have everything. It's ideal for birthdays, housewarmings, or baby showers. Imagine surprising your loved ones with a beautiful moonball that brings a touch of magic into their home. Customer satisfaction is a top priority. If you ever encounter an issue, our dedicated support team is ready to help and ensure you're completely satisfied. Gift recipients can also reach out for assistance, making this purchase worry-free and backed by real service. Top reviews from the U.S. highlight how much kids adore this lamp. One parent even bought 2 because their children fought over it. The vibrant colors and easy color changing features, whether by remote or tapping, make it a daily favorite. The magnetic stand is simple to assemble and holds the lamp securely, adding to its charm and convenience. If you want a moon lamp that combines authentic detail, long-lasting battery life, and customizable lighting, this is the one to consider. It's not just a decoration, it's a comforting companion that brightens any room and mood. Worth a look if you want to bring a little lunar magic home. Try it when you're ready to light up your space with a realistic moon glow that's both beautiful and practical. Whether for your child's nursery or as a standout gift, this moon lamp delivers on quality, style, and ease of use.